Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Today I want us to look at the transpose of a given matrix. The transpose of a matrix. How do you find the transpose of a matrix? Yes, we can give you a matrix and ask you to find its transpose. Now, when the rows and columns of a given matrix are interchanged, the resulting matrix is known as the transpose of that matrix. For example, when you have a matrix A, which is equal to, say, 1, 2, negative 1, 4, 3, 6. When you have this matrix A, to find the transpose of this matrix, which is denoted this way. So if I write A this way, it means A transpose. Yes, this means A transpose. To find the transpose of this matrix, what you do is that the rows of this matrix should become columns. Are you seeing it? So I'll just pick the first row like this and place it here to be the elements in the first column of this one. So I'll pick this way. Look at what I'm doing and put it here. So that will be 1, 2, negative 1. Then I'll go and pick the elements in the second row and place here. So that will be 4, 3, 6. So this will be the transpose of this matrix. You see, the given matrix, the order of the given matrix was 2 by 3. After transposing it, it has become 3 by 2. 3 rows, 2 columns. Right, isn't it? So when you are asked to find the transpose of any matrix, all that you have to do is to interchange the rows and columns. You pick the rows and make them columns. Now, we can also give you another example like this. So this can also have something like this. A matrix B to be maybe 1, 0, negative 1, 4, 7, 8, negative 2, 5, 8. Yes, when I ask to find the transpose of this matrix, then you write it this way, B transpose. This is equal to, so look on the board, we just pick this one and put it there. So it will be 1, 0, negative 1. Right, isn't it? And then you pick the whole of this and place 4, 7, 8. Then you pick this one and place negative 2, 5, 8. So we have seen that there is no equal at all. And this one, the order is 3 by 3. This is 3 by 3. So if it is a square matrix, then the order of the given matrix and the order of its transpose will be the same. Yes. So the order of the given matrix and the order of the transpose of the matrix will be the same if it is a square matrix. If it is 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on. I see. So we have this issue. Now, let me also explain this to you. We also have this. Now, for transpose of a matrix, the following statements are true. When you have a matrix A and then you transpose it, if you transpose it and then try to transpose it again, then you are going to get back the A. Yes. So the transpose of a matrix is the original matrix. So the transpose of A transpose is A. The transpose of B transpose is B. Isn't it? When you pick A to be saying 2, 4, 6, negative 8. Isn't it? When you transpose this, you are going to get 2, 4, 6, negative 8. Isn't it? So what we are saying is that when you transpose this, you get back A. So let's try to transpose this. So A transpose. All transpose is equal to, so I'm going to transpose this. So rows, the elements in the first row will become this 2, 6, and the elements here become 4, negative 8. And this one is the same as A. Isn't it? It says 2, 4, 6, negative 8. Isn't it? So it means that this is true. This statement is true. So the transpose of A transpose is A. It is true. Are you seeing it? So you can, at times we can give you some matrices and ask you to verify some of these things. It is true. Now, viewers, we also have this. When you have AB or transpose, this is the same as B transpose A transpose. Yes, this is also true. This statement is also true. When you have AB or transpose, the same as B transpose A transpose. AB means that matrix A be multiplied by matrix B. Yes, I have a video on multiplication of matrices. Those of you who do not understand multiplication of matrices, you can go and watch that one. So when you have a matrix A, be multiplied by matrix B. Now when you get the answer, then you transpose it. What you are saying is that it's the same as the transpose of a matrix B being multiplied by the transpose of matrix A. Yes, are you seeing it? So this is true. But if you reverse them, if you say this one is not true. Yes, this one is false. You can't say that this is equal to this. No, but this one is equal to this. Yes. So let's try to verify this one. If you pick a matrix A equal to, let me just pick something small, equal to 1, 2, -1, 4, like this, and then matrix B equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Are you seeing it? What we are saying is that AB, it means that you should multiply these two matrices. AB is equal to, so those of you who avoid the video, multiplying these two matrices will not be a problem at all. So this one will be, this time this is 1 plus this, so that will be 5, and then go here, this time this 1 plus 6, that is 7, and then come here, -1 times 1, -1, this plus this one will be 7. Now the last one, -1 plus 12, that is 11. So we have it this way. Now what we are saying is that, so we have it this way. So it means that AB or transpose is equal to, we are going to transpose this one, is equal to 5, 7, I see it, you do this and place this way, 7, 11. This is AB transpose. Now that is what we are saying. We are saying that this one is the same as B transpose A transpose. So how do we find this one? Now, if you have B to be this, then B transpose will be this. Look at it. So B transpose A transpose. B transpose will be 1, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3. This way. And you take this one and place it this way. Pick this one and place it this way. Times A transpose. A transpose will be 1, 2, -1, 4. This way. Isn't it? Now when you multiply, you are going to get this time this is 1 plus this one plus 4, that will be 5. 1 times -1 is -1 plus 8, that will be 7. Isn't it? 1 times 1 is 1 plus 6, that is 7. 1 times -1 is -1 plus 12, that is 11. So viewers, look at it. So this is B transpose A transpose. So we have seen that AB or transpose give us this, and B transpose A transpose has given us this. So it means that this is true. This is true. Yes, this is true. Actually, so you can also use 3 by 3 matrix to verify it. You have something like this. 3. The third one, 3. A plus B or transpose. This is the same as A transpose plus B transpose. This is also true. Yes, this is also true, viewers. This is also true. A plus B or transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is true. Yes. Now let me just pick something small. Let me pick an example here. Let's assume that A is equal to, can write any matrix at all. 1, 0, -1, 4. B is equal to say -2, 4, 1, 1. Just want to verify this. Now A plus B is equal to, so A plus B, this 1 plus -2, that will be -1, isn't it? 0 plus 4, that is 4. -1 plus 1, that is 0. 4 plus 1, that is 5, isn't it? So we have it this way. Now this implies that A plus B all transpose. It means you have to transpose this answer. And if you transpose this one, we are going to get -1405 this way. Take this one, place it this way, and this way. Write this everywhere. So that's this way. Now let's move on to the right hand side. The right hand side, we are saying that A transpose plus B transpose. Now A transpose plus B transpose is equal to, look at it, is equal to, now A transpose is going to be 10 -14 this way, isn't it? And then plus B transpose. B transpose is going to be this. Now when you add these two, this plus this, that will be -1. 1 plus -2, that will be -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Isn't it? So viewers, you can see that so this A transpose plus B transpose. So viewers, we have seen that A plus B all transpose is this. And it's the same as A transpose, B transpose. So this is also true. It is true. So you can verify with 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much for your attention. For more of this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shamalaa Jnr.